once again.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Also hit that subscribe button down below if you're new. So if you watched my last video, I did an Ipsy unboxing, and I also told you that I got a reseller box off Poshmark. So I participate in as many Instagram campaigns on Poshmark as I can, because it's an easy $10 credit. First, you got actual cash. They no longer do cash. They just give you credit, which is fine because I can still use credit. So I use my credits to sometimes just buy stuff for myself. Sometimes I've used credits to buy poly mailers. I got some really cute Poshmark poly mailers that I use. I got 200 for less than $30 in credit with shipping and everything, which was just 3 Instagram posts. This box that I got, I previously ordered from this person. I was very happy with the box, except she had really good reviews. She was recommended on a Facebook group, but it said 6 items and I only got 5 items. But I was happy with what I got. I just messaged her in a bundle, hey, it says 6 items, I only got 5, I'm really happy, but I only got, and she was like, I'm really sorry, how can I make it up? I can give you a huge discount on something in my closet, I can just ship you something else. And I said, you know what, let me save up my credits and I'll buy another box from you and you can just add the extra item. So this is supposed to be 6 items normally, but this should have 7. So this is the box that I got. I have not opened it, although when I picked it up, the tape started to come off. The last box, I got a pair of kids' UGG boots that were super cute. And I just sold them the other day on Kidizen, which I joined that day, posted a bunch of stuff that I had, like kids stuff. I had them on Poshmark for a couple weeks with lots of interest, but no bites. And then somebody bundled it with the shirt that I had and bought it. And with the shirt that I got super cheap, I made the sale, I packaged it all up, I stuck it in my mailbox for my mailman to come. He picked it up, I don't know, an hour later, and I got paid. I got paid super fast. So if you sell kids clothes, you should check out Kidizen. Anyway, so I did leave her 5 stars because I just do. Now, when I buy reseller boxes, I'm not gonna lie, I don't leave love notes because I don't want my customers to know where I got my stuff. So that's just me. It's not that I didn't like it. If I buy it for myself, I'll leave a love note. Anyway, so it's in here. It's all packaged very nice. Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you love your box. Any feedback would be appreciated. Happy poshing, Emily. Enjoy the extras. And actually, I could look here. Oh, it doesn't have her seller name. It's like EM something. I'll leave it down below what her actual closet name is. So let's see. First, we have some cute little earrings. They came from Nordstrom's. So I don't have a lot of jewelry posted in my closet. I have one bracelet that I got. So, let's see what else. Some kind of little keychain. Dream more, learn more, be more. I don't know. Maybe I can put that in as a freebie for a bundle. I don't normally do freebies. So she put little thank you sticker on here. First, oh, this looks like brand new. Not a Broncos fan. I am a Patriots fan, but this looks like brand new. So I know there are a lot of Broncos fans out there. So hopefully I can get something for this. Let's see. Next. A pair of gloves. Again, they look new, good condition. I live in LA. I don't use gloves, but I'm sure other people do. Headbrand, Outlasts, I don't know. But they have like these. They look nice and warm. Next, this is nice. It is a Nike hoodie. Stuff like smells like freshly washed. It's fleece lined. Great for running, which I am somewhat of a runner. I am Nike running. So this should go for a decent amount. And again, this box, I think I spent $30 in credits with tax and shipping and what have you. Next is this cloth and stone top. It's a sleeveless. It's cute. Cloth and stone, I think, sells fairly decently. Next is this Michael by Michael Kors top. This one's a medium. Let's see what size this one was. Small. And I'm pretty sure this is like a smaller medium. I don't know. I'm moving to Atlanta next year and I run, so if I don't sell it, it's going in my closet. I've been known to jack up the prices on things and hope that they don't sell. Don't tell my husband. And I had a purse like that. It was part of my unboxing from ThredUp. I jacked up the price. Somebody offered me $75 and my husband told me I needed to take it. And he told me to stop using my supply. So I did, and I promptly stuck it in the mailbox because I was gonna keep it. This looks familiar. It's a cute little tank. This tag looks familiar. I don't know the brand. Let me see. Sometimes I look at the RN codes and can tell. Oh, here we go. That's what I thought. It is a Anthropology brand. So it's cute. Although I know everybody raves about Anthropology. I can't sell it. Haven't sold a piece yet. Oh, I take that back. I do have a dress that I bought from a liquidation company. I have several of them. I've sold a few of them. I'm surprised I haven't sold more. Next, I have this Victoria's Secret pink. Size medium. Again, really good shape. I don't know where this girl gets her stuff because I went to the bins here recently. Nothing looked this good. Anyway, do okay with pink. I have a lot of it in my closet still because I bought a liquidation lot, and so it hasn't moved that well. Next. So these are running leggings and they're fleece lined. This brand sounds familiar. I know a lot of like workout brands, but Miramont. This one I don't know so well. So let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The earrings, 7. Maybe she forgot. Anyway, and then the keychain. Although we had like I bought it in a bundle. Anyway, I still think I'll make my money off this. I think just on the Nike alone, you know, and this, I could double my credits. So, tip for you, do the campaigns on Poshmark. They are so easy. You get I don't use my own personal Instagram. I have a personal Instagram with like 200 followers. They're just friends and family. But I opened up a business one, and I follow other Poshmark sellers. I network with people. I have found ways to get people to follow me. Sometimes I follow people back, but really, like, you don't need any followers, really. Get 1 follower. You can follow yourself from your personal account, and then from there you can connect it to your Poshmark account. You can do a campaign at least once a week. There have been days that I've been able to do 3 in a day. They've lately been a lot slower and not allowing you to do as many, but you can still do at least 1 a week. That's a good $40 a month. You can buy a reseller box. You can buy poly mailers for yourself. Use it to reinvest in your business to get cash. So I spent $30 in credits. I posted 3 pictures. They took me 5 minutes each. I often just, like, I style my mannequin, my dress form, who I broke the other day, so she's barely holding it together. But I often style them, put a necklace on it. For some of my pictures, I go back, I find a picture that I've already taken, I post it to Instagram, I put their hashtags that they want, I put a few extra hashtags, I put their link in my profile, I get the link for that picture, I put it in the campaign, and I submit it. It takes me 5 minutes. It's the easiest $10 you're gonna make on Poshmark. So I highly suggest that. And you can buy reseller boxes. I know there's a lot of reseller boxes out there that are crap. But I have bought ones based on recommendations. This top here, which I need to get listed. It's a J. Crew linen, not factory, that I got in a reseller box. That box, I got it and I was kind of disappointed, and I was like, but I listed that stuff and I've doubled my money, and I don't even have all of it listed because I have this and I have another pair of pants, but I have doubled my money on what I have listed and sold so far. So it is worth it. It's so worth it. And if you're like me, the bins isn't something I can really do on a regular basis. I have a 1-year-old, I have a 3-year-old, and I have a husband that's never home. So I can't take them to the bins. I'm not going to pay a babysitter. It's not something I can do. There is a Goodwill that I do stop by on Fridays. My oldest daughter goes to somewhere for a few hours alone. So I'll take my younger one with me. I'll hit up this Goodwill where everything's $2 and I'll pick up a few things. But I can't source my whole closet there. So I buy boxes like this. I buy other stuff online to resell, from ThredUp, as you've seen previous videos. And I'm going to do more videos on where I source my items. I know a lot of people don't give away their secrets, but I'm going to start giving away some places that I have sourced from, because I do this part-time. These places have a lot. Maybe I'll lose business this way, but you know, it'll be harder for me to get my inventory. But maybe by then my kids will be in school and I can go to the bins like everybody else. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below of what you'd like to see me unbox next. In a few days, I do have another ThredUp box coming. Previously, I got a name brand handbag box. I got another one. I'm thinking about doing their shoe box, 50 pairs of shoes. But leave a comment down below what you want to see. I have a source locally to me that I get Amazon stuff from. It's new clothing. If you've looked in my closet, I have this gorgeous For Love and Lemons dress that I got in this box. I get crap in the box, but I get enough that makes my money. So one of these days I'm going to buy another box from them, unbox it, and tell you about it. But you have to subscribe to find out. Follow me on Instagram at Brickwall Shop. Subscribe here. And leave me a comment what you want to see next. See you later. Hi guys, I just wanted to add this little clip at the end. I did go back through and I was looking up all the items and realized when I counted at the end of the video, some of you probably can count better than me, but I dropped 2 items on the floor and didn't count them. So I did get the extra item I was promised. So I got 6 clothing items, plus gloves, plus a hat, plus earrings, and a keychain. So she did make it up. So this will be added at the end. Again, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, tell me how you can count better than I can, whatever. Stay tuned for another video.